everyone, it's Abby Andrew and welcome back to the Rene of Paris YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a sneak preview of one of the new wigs from the brand new Rene of Paris collection coming out February 1st, 2021. I have gotten a sneak preview of a couple of the wigs coming out and they are super awesome, so stay tuned for that. The catalog will be released on the website, and also be sure to follow our Instagram to see updates on there as well. So this wig that I'm wearing right now is one of the new releases, and this color is new as well. This wig is Wyatt in Watermelon R. This wig is an absolutely adorable short style with a little bit of wave going on, and this color is this awesome kind of pink tinted color, which I absolutely love. Just to show you what it looks like all the way around. In this video, I also wanted to show you a couple of cute ways you can style this wig. Because it is a shorter style, you don't really have the option to do things like put it in a ponytail or things like that I love to do with my longer wigs, but that doesn't mean you can't do some really adorable hairstyles with it. Of course, as always, you can just use regular hair accessories with your wigs. You don't have to buy anything special. So I have a regular hair tie and some bobby pins. So a couple of really simple, cute styles you can do is just pin back the sides if you want a slightly different look like that. You could pin just one side like that, or you could go ahead and pin both sides back. That just kind of makes it a totally different look and kind of gets the bangs out of your face a bit, but still looks really cute. And even though it is too short to put into a full ponytail, that doesn't mean you can't do other sorts of ponytails, like just small ponytails on top. So just to randomly put something in here, I'm going to grab a section of the hair and just gently put it in a little ponytail back here. And just do something cute like that. It's kind of like a pop star look, very cute. If you wanted to go ahead and do it on both sides, that might look a little bit too over the top, but you can do whatever you want with your wigs, and that's the fun of it. But even just one ponytail like this I think looks pretty cute. And with short styles, I like to have a lot of fun with little hair accessories like this. You can just kind of place it in the hair just to add a little bit of something like that, either a little bow or whatever other kind of clip you have would look really nice. Of course, headbands are always an option as well. And I think a headband looks really cute with the waves on this wig. And you don't have to use just hair accessories if you don't want to. You can even use something as cute as a long dangly pair of earrings that will come down past the hair. I think that creates a really nice look. I think that is a really awesome kind of spunky look to go with this wig, especially because the little poops on the earring kind of match the hair. Okay everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this has been a great sneak preview to this wig, which again is one of the brand new Rene of Paris releases coming out on February 1st. This was Wyatt in Watermelon R, and there's 3 other styles coming out as well, so stay tuned for all of those. And thank you all so much for watching this video. We'll see you next time.